Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble, and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to League of Legends critical error. So we are going to see different methods and you can follow all the troubleshooting methods one by one. There could be possibility your issue would be resolved by any one of the method. So let's go ahead and start the troubleshooting. But before going ahead, I would like to say on this channel you would get stuffs related to Windows 10 Active Directory group policy, Windows Server operating system troubleshooting steps, and technology related reviews and its updates. Method number 1 is to reboot the computer. Windows issue most probably solves by rebooting the computer, and you should first write this option. If your issue does not resolve, then you have to follow another method. Once you reboot the computer, check if it's working or not. If not working, then you have to follow further troubleshooting steps. Please create system restore point before following the methods so that in case of any failure, you can restore the system to previously working date and time. It doesn't mean that troubleshooting steps gonna be harmful for your computer. It's just a precautionary step. So method number 2 is run the program with administrator rights. To run the program with administrator rights on the desktop, you must have a shortcut icon for League of Legends. Right click on it, go to properties, then go to compatibility. Click on run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click on OK. Open the program and check if it is working or not. If it is not working, then other option is there. Just go to Riot Games folder and then go to League of Legends folder. Double click on it, scroll down, find out the League client application, right click on it, then go to properties, then go to compatibility, click on run this program as an administrator, click on apply, click on OK. Just double click on it and check if it is working or not. This application would open with administrator rights. If next method is to turn off the antivirus. To turn off the antivirus, we have to check in the system tree icon, click on this, and if you have antivirus installed, you would find antivirus icon over here. I have Malwarebytes installed on my computer. Also Windows Defender is there. If you don't have any other application, only have Windows Defender, then we have to turn this off. To turn off the Windows Defender, I do have a video on my channel. The link is given in the I button. Check out that. For other antiviruses, you have to right click on the icon and then click on quit. For me, this is quit malwares. For you, it could be different. So I have disabled the antivirus. Second thing, to disable the antivirus, you can also go to services.msc. Check out the antivirus service. For me, it's Malwarebytes. As I have already disabled this antivirus, it is currently showing me stop. So if you are not able to do this from system tray icon, you can go to services.msc, search for antivirus service and then stop. After doing this, just open the application, open your game and check if it is working or not. If it is still not working, we have to follow another method. Another method is to uninstall and then reinstall your graphics card drivers. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, you have to go to control panel. So I will show you on my computer. I'm not going to uninstall. So like this, if you have NVIDIA graphics card, you have to uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Click on uninstall and then reboot the computer, reinstall NVIDIA GeForce for your graphics card and then check if the game is working or not. If you don't have NVIDIA graphics card, just right click on Windows, then go to device manager, click on display adapters, expand it. Here you would find something like Intel or AMD, something like that. Just right click on it, click on update drivers and then click on search automatically for updated drivers. It would search drivers for your hardware on your system and then online as well. If you have drivers downloaded on your computer, then browse it, give the path and then click on install the drivers. If updating a driver doesn't work, you have to uninstall the device. Click on uninstall, then click on uninstall here as well. It will uninstall your device and then again you have to right click on it, scan for hardware changes. It will try to detect your hardware and it will try to gain the drivers accordingly. If you want to follow more on how to update the drivers, I do have a detailed video on this topic. Just click on the I button and check out the full video. If the driver thing doesn't works for you, you have to navigate to install directory of League of Legends. Riot Games is the install directory. Double click on League of Legends and then you will find the config folder. Select all, then just shift delete this. Then again come back to League of Legends, go to logs, select it and then shift delete. Now you have to again open the game and check if the issue has resolved or not. If the issue is still not resolved, then just uninstall the game and reinstall it again on your computer. So I hope these troubleshooting steps helps you out to resolve this critical error of League of Legends. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.